So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am going to start this series of Python. So if you want to learn Python or know about Python, so you can watch all those videos that I will upload uh, every day, and please make sure to subscribe, and so that you will not miss any lecture videos that will be uploaded. And I hope you guys will learn faster. So first of all, I am in PyCharm right now. So PyCharm is a IDE that is specifically developed for Python, and you can install it by searching online, and it is free. So there is two edition, so you have to download the PyCharm community edition. That will be completely free, and you can do your most of the things here. So please make sure to download, or you can use any ID like a VS Code or Atom is there, so you can do you can use anything. I am using PyCharm here. So as you will open PyCharm, then you will see there will be a screen for creating new project, and please just to keep all the defaults and click on create project. So the screen will be appear like this, and here we will start our first Python video. So first I will, you can see here all these codes. So what you can know from this Python code, what you can know. So here two things we can know from here about Python. So this is, you can see this thing here after the hash. So this is basically a Python command. If you are having something after the hash, Python will not execute that as a code, and it will ignore everything. Then you can see you have a function. So what is a function you will know later, but just know this is a function, and here we are calling this thing here. So the thing is, you will know, you will see most of the in most of the programs you will see things like this. If name equals to main, there is a conditional statement. So what is this conditional statement for, why this is used? So the first thing we will know about this conditional statement. So this is basically, the thing is that you can see here this function is called. So basically the thing is, we are using conditional at the bottom, means we are forcing the interpreter, that is Python, to read all the scripts that are available in the file before executing any code. So this will first read all the things, then it will execute the code. So basically the execution is starting from here. Okay, so let's just run everything, and let's see what we are getting. So you can see, hi PyCharm, this is the basic thing, and you guys knew now. So what is the use of this conditional statement over here? So I think you guys will not sorry, get confused for why this statement is here. And this basically allows more procedural style programming. So this is just that. Then we will know about statements and expressions. So guys, statements and expressions are most fundamental things in Python. So what is a statement and what is an expression? What we can know about them? So a statement is a unit of execution. Okay, statement is a unit of execution, and expression is an unit of evaluation. So this is the fundamental thing about statement and expression. So a statement is anything that is a piece of code, right? There is nothing that is a statement. Everything is a statement that can be written as a code, right? And a expression, what is a expression? So an expression is anything that returns as a value. Okay, so a expression is anything that return a value. Okay, so this is what basically expression. An expression is like any combination of literals, identifiers, operators. So like suppose I will take x equals to y. This is an expression. Sorry, x plus y. This is an expression. So we can take any, like suppose function. This is an expression. We can take like a tuple. So this is an expression. Anything that will return as a value is an expression. Okay, so the statement is a line of code and it can be anything. It can also consist of multiple expressions. So how we will write statement? Let us see. Suppose if x equals to y, print 2. So this is these here we can see there are two statements, if x equals to y and print 2. Okay, so we can write this in one line also. If x equals to y, print 2. But what we will see, we always use like this indentation. So whenever we are keeping something in a block, we are keeping that indented so that we can know that this thing is purely of this block. Okay, and if we here, this statement is not a part of this block. Okay, so basically here the difference is like that everything that is a combination and is a line of code, we can call that a statement. Okay, so then we will check something about print. Like we can use print hello everyone. So we can print like this. Okay, we can print like this. So we will run this if I jar and then hello everyone. Okay, so this is purely a string. If I want to use a variable inside, suppose I will take x equals to 23, then I will use print is, suppose I want to use this variable x here. So what I will do, I will use the format statement. Okay, so here dot format then I will use X here. Okay, so if you will run here, you can see this is 23. So first we will use it as a string, then we can dot format X. But the thing is, after Python 3.6, after Python 3.6, the format method is not correct. So how we can use this? We can simply use this as an F string. So you will use F, then unstring. This is, we can directly use X here. So when we will run this, you can see here we get the same result. So this is all about print statement. This is just an overview. You will get everything later, but I am just giving an overview about this. So I will give you the next basic things in the next video. I hope you guys will watch and you guys have learned whatever I have said. So thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Please make sure to subscribe and do not miss any of the videos that I will upload that will help you understanding Python better. Thank you very much.